Hey, hi, welcome to Chennai Robotist. My name is Dilip Kumar Intu. Today in this video, we're going to look at this project. This project is a multi-sensor device project. This is how I've named it. And yes, the name itself describes that it is made up of multi-sensors functionalities. Okay, to make it very simple, this is an electrical bulb which glows in 240 volt. So I'm using a microcontroller here inside this kit which is of plus 5 volt. I'm going to operate this electrical bulb with a relay controlled by the microcontroller. So the basic idea was initially I thought of in how many ways we can actually operate an electrical device. So that is how I initially started this project. And just like one of the thing that we know is Alexa. So when you say Alexa switch on, the light gets switched on. Or you have another way to say that when you touch something, the electrical bulb glows. Okay. Where in street light, when there's a dawn, the street light burns. So that's all different varieties of projects I've done. So here I have nearly about let's say 8 to 10 sensors into this project. So it was quite difficult for me to combine all these sensors into one kit. You know about the troubleshoot. When you switch off one sensor, the other sensor gets switched on, or it gets switched off because you were switched off in another sensor. So all that is was simplified, and I'll share about those details with you in detail. Okay, today in this project, let me get into the video and show you what is this project is all about. Okay, I'm going to switch this on for now. Yes, to make it very simple, I'm going to touch the nose of this robot. So that's the first sensor one. So I have a okay. So when I touch this, you can see the LED here, multi-purpose LEDs blinking here, and you have a 240 volt LED bulb glowing. There's a beep to it, and there's an on and off, on, off. So also, if you have, I have provided a plug here where you can also connect another electrical devices if you want, like it could be a table fan or something else. So that's one. So let's switch off this. That's a one sensor. Let's get into another sensor. Okay, my other sensor is the torchlight. Okay, I'm going to use this torchlight, and you can see here there's a sensor here, and I'm going to spot the light here, and let's see. Yes. So with the torchlight, I'm switching on a device, and again, if you take it close, yes, it's off. So if it's a laser, you can actually do it at a longer distance. So switch on and switch off. You know what is this sensor is about? It's a light sensor, so which is LDR. So if you have, I have a laser too, which I'm not going to show it right now because there's some battery issue with the laser. Maybe probably in the next part of this, part two of this video, I'll show you the laser part. So that's two. And what's the third one? I'll show you the third one. Okay, the third sensor is I'm going to go get closer to the device. Can you see this? So when I go closer to the device, it is getting switched on, and I go back to the this and I go away from the sensor, getting switched off. The moment I go close to it, getting switched on, and I'm back setting back, again it's getting switched off. This is using the ultrasonic sensor here. So you can see this ultrasonic here, and the moment when there's a distance, the shorter I come close to the sensor, I have programmed in such a way that when an obstacle is hitting at 90 centimeters, then the microcontroller will switch on the electric bulb. So that's a second one. And let's get into the fourth multi-sensor, which we you know about this IR remote control devices, which we use in our operating television or set-top box, AC, same remote control. I'm going to use this IR remote control to operate the mic sensor projects here. So let me say that I have listed here the functionalities of the button. So let's say I'm going to switch on the LED there. Yes, can you see the LED glowing there, blinking? So that's switched off. Then I'm going to make a sound, create a buzz sound here. Okay, with the remote control. Okay, that I can put that off. I have an RGB LED here. I'm going to glow red, blue, green individually. Yes, can you see this red glowing? Yes, I'm going to then use blue. Yes, and then I'm going to go green. So what not? We have not switched on the LED bulb with the remote. That's one of the objective of this sensor. So I'm going to switch it on like this and then switch it off like this. So if you have more relays, you can operate more electrical devices. Like one, I have electrical bulb here. You could have a fan or a table fan or anything else as you wish to. So let's get into the fifth sensor. So my fifth sensor is the clap switch. The moment I clap, the bulb glows. Or let's say switched on, then switch off. So the moment you clap, it's getting switched on. So the this sensor is quite interesting for children especially. So they love to clap and see the electrical bulb obey to their claps. Would it be interesting for children? Yes, I'll show you end of this video like how children enjoyed operating this device. On, off, and I also can do a tick also on, off. So that's again. Let's get into another sensor. So the another interesting sensor that we're going to use is we're going to use this magnet, a very small magnet, a button size magnet. Okay. When I take this close to the sensor, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to take it here. It's light falling. I'm going to take it close to the sensor and see. Okay, when I take it off, it's off. When I take it in, it's glowing. So this is a very small button magnet. I'm going to use another bigger one here. This is more even powerful magnet. I'm going to use this powerful magnet and see what is the distance sensation it can take. So see the distance much longer. See the distance much longer than the small one. Yes, yeah. So when I take it out, it's off. So when I take it close, it's on. It's off, it's on, it's off. So this is one of the sensor. Using magnet, you can control electrical devices using microcontroller against relay. So that's about the magnet sensor. How do you find this? Is it going on interesting for you? If that's the case, hit the like button and show your like to this video. Okay, let's get into another interesting video. This is about Bluetooth device. We're going to control this with Bluetooth. So I'm going to do a screen record in my mobile. Let's see how it's going to get operated. Yes, thank you. I'm turning on my Bluetooth device. Okay, now that our device is connected, I'm going to connect this. I'm going to switch on this. Yes, you can hear the sound. And I'm going to use this LED glow, and I'm going to use this bulb, and I'm going to use the green here, and I'm going to use the bulb on and off. That's one. Let's go to the voice control. I say light on. Okay, light off. Light off. LED on. Can you see the LED glowing? Yes. LED off. Okay. Is it sound on? Sound off. Red. Oh, red light is glowing. Switch off. Blue. Green. That's beautiful. Switch off. Okay, that's the end of this Bluetooth controlled module. So we were able to control the electrical bulb and the other devices using a mobile phone touch sensitivity and voice control. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. So we have one or two more sensors to complete this project. Let me show you that as well. Okay, the final sensor that we're going to look at here is the thermistor sensor. Many of you know about this thermistor sensor. Thermistor is nothing but it is a type of a resistor which varies when a flame is detected. So it varies its resistance value when flame is detected. Let's do an experiment. Suppose there's a flame. I'm going to burn this up here and let's see whether it's been detected. Okay, I'm going to burn this here now. Let's see the output. Can you see this? I'm showing it very close. Yes, the moment the flame it gets flamed, light is glowing, and you also see the siren. So this sound and the alarming LED will glow till the thermistor's heat reduces to below the threshold. So let's see, it's going to take one or two some few seconds. So I can also do this faster by touching the thermistor to cool the thermistor so that the process gets faster. Now that the thermistor's heat is reduced and you can see that the siren has stopped and only LED bulb is glowing, which also will get switched off. Yes, it's got switched off after another threshold value. Okay, that's about the thermistor sensor, and in my next part 2 version of this video I'm going to have more sensors to this. So watch out for my next video where I'm going to have even more sensors to this project, and so you can wait for that video as well. So what do you think about this video? Isn't it very interesting? Because I was looking for a multi-purpose a project sensor project like this in YouTube, and nowhere I could find a project like this. So I wanted to build one for you, and today I am sharing the idea with you. So comment below, and if you like this video, do share with your friends, and they also enjoy this fun with a sensor projects. So want to learn more about robotics? Get in touch with us. We also teach you at your doorstep, and also we teach you through online and offline. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next invention. Thank you. Bye bye.